Lamarr was here, back to another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the very hard to get, well, at least at the time of this recording, the Razer Ishkur gaming chair. I said it wrong probably, sorry, but I haven't had a gaming chair in like years. The Razer CEO sent me this. I was very excited, so thank you, dude, for sending this to me. And before we get started, I'd like to thank HBO Max for sponsoring a portion of this video. Last month, I recommended about 7 shows or movies that for April that I was like, hey, I think you should watch. And now we're gonna do the same for May, but let's check out 3. So the first one, I just want you to see the icon so you know before I click it. First one is Static Shock. Yeah, this cartoon I watched back in the day, loved it. I had no idea it was 4 seasons though. So this is the DC black teen superhero who gets static electricity powers, and so he's dealing with that as a teenager, and he's saying, you know the drill, young teen have to save people. It just dropped in HBO Max, so I just got a chance to just quickly check it out. I added it to my watch list. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna marathon through this. So another one I wanted to recommend, this was a book series, I believe. It's called His Dark Materials. It's a fantasy thing. Actually, I have a description because I am gonna say it wrong. It follows Lyra, a brave young woman from another world. Her quest to find her kidnapped friend leads her to uncover a sinister plot, encounter extraordinary beings, and protect dangerous secrets. So I love fantasy, sci-fi, things like that. This piqued my interest. So far, so good. All right, so my last recommendation is Suicide Squad, but not what you think. It's an animated movie. Suicide Squad: Hell to Pay. Amanda Waller forms a special squad of incarcerated villains. We know what Suicide Squad is, right? To retrieve a mystical object, but that's their goal there. I saw it when it came out. I try to watch all the DC animated. I think they're fantastic. All right, so those are my recommendations for HBO Max. If you want to sign up for HBO Max and check out and be excited like I am, my link is below. It directly helps my channel and my business as a whole. I appreciate it if you'll check out my direct link in the description below. Thanks so much. All right, guys, so let's get started here. I know I have a box cutter. I'm a sinner. Okay, I gotta lay it flat. Oh boy. Unboxing. We gonna unbox this chair. Oh, that was easy. Okay, I'm done. Why can't y'all come assemble? Oh, you know what I'm talking about? I'm like, ain't nobody got time for this. What you're about to experience is posture perfect hardcore gaming. Flip this sheet to see the assembly guide. I'm a man. I don't need no Yes, I do. Ooh, okay, so we got a pillow. We'll put on later. This is the chair. Ah! Okay, mommy. Ah! All right, we'll put that down. Ah! Right there. Why y'all pack this so well? Well, it is $500, so that's probably why. Okay, the chair base. See, I know what this is. Okay, see, I ain't using no instructions. I know what I'm doing. I put together a chair before. I used to work at Office Depot. Okay. Okay. I'll put this right here for a second. Oh my Lord. Okay. Listen, I almost fell. Oh shoot. Okay. And then these are the accessories. Get out of here. Oh, I'm glad y'all didn't see that. Okay, why do I need to take a seat to build a seat? I'm gonna get a chair. Okay. We got the accessories here. Oh, I think it comes with the screwdriver thing. That's good. That's good right there. I ain't gotta be trying to find mine. Okay. Huh? Oh, okay. Okay, I can do this. I've built these before. I've done it. Okay. We've done it. Well, some of it. Okay, we're moving to step 4. Oh Lord, I gotta turn it over. Okay. Oh my. Okay, I'm stuck. My shirt's stuck. Hold on. Okay. What you want me to do? All right, so this is the fun part. At Office Depot, you pay like $7 and they'll build a chair for you. That's what I usually do. Where y'all at? Okay. Too much. I can't even. All right, y'all, we're in the end game now. Time for the wheels. So by the way, this is metal, not plastic. It's very rare for at least the chairs that I get. Usually this base is plastic. Ow! You know, my stupid butt was about to say, why are there 5 wheels? One more! Face down. Okay, we're rolling. Okay, so you put that there. Cones go like that. Okay. Alright. And ladies and gentlemen, we got a chair! Woo! That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the Razer chair. Really good lumbar support. My back felt so good when I was in there. Come to the side. You have the option to make the seat go back. I'll show you that in a wider angle in just a moment. You have a little chair lock right there. The back look clean. Got Razer on the back. This pillow, by the way, is optional. But yeah, dude, that looks dope. Oh, look at that. For gamers, by gamers. Okay, let's see how far this can go back here. What? Oh. Okay, well, oh. That looks slim. I don't. And it goes all the way up like right there, which is, who sits like this? Help! Ooh, hold on. Put the neck thing right there. Oh, snap. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is, oh, man. So you got the lumbar support, got the neck support. My big butt fits in here, which is rare. I'm working on it. Also, these go up and down too. These arm things. Let's see. There's a button here. What does this do? Oh, you can twist it. See? Okay. Twist left or right. I'll keep it like that, but I like that it can go down out the way. This is the highest it can go on both sides. I'm feeling this, and then of course lower, and then let's see, get my big butt up, and this is as high as it goes. I like this chair. Oh, there's one more thing with the chair. There's a button in the middle I didn't see. So you push that. You know how I showed you this one that tilts? You push this one, it brings it in a little bit. So in case your arms fit better here. But if you want to have it out, like I think I like mine out. So, but if you want it in, like I'm a little bigger, so like I need it out. So that's good. This is a good chair. Well, already got me a new chair, Razer. Thank you so much for sending this out. Y'all are awesome. What other type of unboxings do y'all want to see on this channel? Just to let you know, in case you don't see me that often, on my TikTok, I do a lot of mini unboxings there, but the big ones I save for here. So if you want to follow me to see everything I do, my link for my TikTok is below. And I'm going to link this Razer chair, of course, because I'm definitely grateful. $500 chair, but I'm going to tell you, this lumbar support that I showed y'all, and I have a lower back problem, it curves right into it. I feel like this is built for me. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you want to see in the next big unboxing here. Tune into my TikTok, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.